Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, my name is Honorable Prince Odi Okojie. I represent the good people of Esan Northeast and Southeast Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I'm from Edo State, the heartbeat of Nigeria. Mr. Speaker, I rise here today to move a motion on the deplorable state of Ewu, Uromi Agbo, and Auchi Ewu Benin Federal Highways. Mr. Speaker, I will just go straight to the prayers. The prayers, one, is to urge the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing and the Federal Road Maintenance Agency, FEMA, to embark on immediate palliative repairs on the failed portions to ease off traffic on the routes. Two, also urges the Federal Ministry of Works to allocate sufficient funds for the completions of works on the boat route in the 2024 budget estimates. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, to mandate the House Committee on Works when constituted to ensure compliance and report back to the House within 4 weeks for further legislative action. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I so move.
Honorable colleagues, this is also another infrastructure-related motion, so we'll just put the question straight ahead.
Seconder.
What?
Second.
Seconder, sorry. My young honorable with Babariga, please go ahead.
Mr. Speaker, honorable. My name is Engineer Akarachi, Honorable Engineer Akarachi Orisha Matosa Tiosa Amadi. I Seoul Federal Constituency, Imo State. I stand to second the motion moved by my honorable colleague. I so second.
So we go ahead and put the question. Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. This motion is referred to the Committee on Works when constituted.
Mr. Speaker, we upstairs have observation. Upstairs, we're here. With due respect, Mr. Speaker.